Hey Ashley,
Thanks, Raj.
how's it going?
Not too bad. How are you going?
Yeah, really good. It's always better when the sun is shining, eh?
That's true.
So Ashley, we've made a new widget for users of the Jadu CMS, and this is designed to help get emergency messages out. So these are special announcements that are related to COVID-19 or coronavirus, and when you publish the widget with the announcement, it makes that content available in search engines.
Yeah, that's it.
And we've used a standard from schema.org.
Yeah, that's correct. So Schema.org, which is a joint collaboration between the search engines out there, which documents the structured data for websites, which, in short, it's the markup that helps search engines understand your sites better and which they use to provide richer search results. So this Schema.org, they've updated their schema recently to introduce a new special announcement type. As you can probably guess, it's motivated by the coronavirus pandemic. And I suppose what it does, it allows organisations to tell the search engines they've got very important information relating to this pandemic in particular. And then they can then use that to better update their search results to make this information clearer. So if we have a quick peek at the UK coronavirus search results here, here's a little section here on coronavirus. And I suppose this will be rolled out for non-government agencies in the future. They're given a quick little snapshot of what they expect it to be in the future. And so the widget aims to help our councils and other organisations essentially provide this for their websites.
So Ashley, just installing the widget then, go to the library, find the widget, download the widget to your hard drive, and then once you've downloaded the widget, go to the Jadu Control Center and to the widget manager in the usual way. Upload a new widget, give it a title, find the widget from your desktop, upload that. Once it's uploaded, give it a quick description, and I guess all the other settings can stay the same, and then just click upload. You can quickly check whether it was successful or not when you look at the manual view, and then go to a home page, create a new row on your home page. I guess this would be your main corporate home page for an emergency message like this. Find a space, probably somewhere at the top, and then drag in the widget. And then I guess you just style it in the usual way and apply some settings.
So onto the widget itself. It's nothing too radical. Essentially, it's just a list page and an item page. So here, we see we've got a couple of widgets on the list page. And if we begin to edit one, we'll see the fields that we allow the person to populate. So we've got title summary, as you expect for many items. We've got a dates, so start date, end date. Location information here, which we'll come back to in a second. And the rest of the fields are URL fields. And they provide links to more information for these varying topics that have been specified by Special Announcement Schema. Location, so the top one, the location itself, is where the announcement originates from. So in our case, we've got a testing facility. We've provided a nice address for it. For the second regions, these are kind of the wider geographical locations which would be affected by the announcement. So in our example here, we're saying these two boroughs are required to be tested at this facility. You can see how these kind of link together. So if we save this, we can then see on the preview kind of what we'd expect. This gives us an idea of the markup that we mentioned earlier, which would then be passed by Google when it's gone through the search engine. So if we look on the front end, so here I've just applied a box standard style sheet which targets the class names of this widget. Just give it a bit of a nice jazz. And if we look into the actual markup itself, when you look, there we go, we can see there's that data we're after. So when Google comes through and parses information, with any luck, Council should end up with something like this on their Google search results page with their announcement information. And I'd definitely recommend looking at this developer doc here from Google. Simply find this by Googling the phrase special announcement, or alternatively, have a look into the actual spec itself. It's a little bit more complicated, but provides a lot more information.
Thanks, Ashley. This widget's really going to help get the message out for important messages related to COVID-19. So can you thank the team? Thank you for developing this, and hopefully our users find it useful.
Thanks, Raj. I'm glad to help.
Yeah. See you later.
See ya.